Hi, beginning modern workshop dancer. So here's part 2 of our 3-part class with tendus. So we'll keep the same tendus that we've done before. The tag is going to be a little twist on what we did last week. So to remind you, the tendus go like this. 2 nice slow tendus coming from parallel first. Then 4 a little faster. 2 and 3 and 4. Then we take a big deep plie to undercurve, forward and side. And back, and side. Then we go to Jose, and down, and press the wall away, woo, and plie, and side, press that wall away, go for it, and side, and bring it in. Now we're gonna scoop, so you're gonna go toward your right, toward your left, pick up the right foot, and pivot, step out, bring it in, and heel, toe. You can do whatever you want with the upper body and that little heel, toe. And then we'll repeat it to the left. So we'll do this twice through. So right, left. And once again, I'm your mirror. Here we go. Five, 6, 7, 8. Tendus. Bring it in. Tendus. Slide it in. 4 quicker. 1, 2. Really use that floor. 3 and 4. And undercurve 4. And you decide what you want to do with the arms here. Whatever you feel comfortable. As long as you're really using that plie, going down to the floor, really scooping. Now brush out and down. Push away. Woo, and take a risk. It's okay if you fall off. And side. Push. To the left, right, and left. Step right, pivot, right, and together, and heel, toe, tendus. Starting all over again. Out, and in, 4 fast. 1, 2, 3, 4th one, ends in a plie, and forward, back, side, back, side. Now we're going to go to the left, scoop. Step left, pivot, left. Bring it in, and heel, toe again, all the way from the start. And close. 4 quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big plie. Scoop, undercurve. So remember, this is when your pelvis is acting like a big old ice cream scooper. You want the biggest scoop of chocolate ice cream you can get. And push, and fall, and recover. Come up. Use those hands to help you reach wide. Press against the wall, and bring it in. And scoop, step out, and step, together, and heel, toe. Last time. Bring it in. Remember, tendus go all the way to the tips of your toes, and you brush to the floor. Big plie. See how far you can move. Really challenge yourself in the space that you've got, of course. And rush. Fall. Catch yourself. And bring it in. And out. To the left. Step left. And left again. One last time. Now we're going to heel toe to the left. And finish. Good job, dancers.